Hello everyone, I am Anna Vanila and welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. And for today I have a surprise for you. A famous company asked me to advertise them, so they sponsored me. So I've got about 4 knickers. 4 pretty beautiful knickers, and they are of a different color. So you get purple, white, black and blue. The company brand is Summer with a V, so SU. Instead of U, you put V, so that's how you write the Summer brand on Amazon. So you can click the link below in my description and enjoy purchasing beautiful underwear for your wife, for your sisters, for your relatives, for your mother. Why not? Isn't it? Isn't it, honey owl? You like to receive gifts from me.
Yeah.
So I would like to wash in this video. Yeah. So I'm going to show you beautiful underwear. As you can see, it's transparent, it's beautiful, transparent. On the sides you get this kind of elasticated bands, which creates even more sexual appeal in females, as you can see here. And it's quite open, it's quite sexy. This is the blue color. This is the purple color. Also in the same design. These are going on the side of your body. This is the front with a wonderful lace, flowery lace. This is the back. This is in white, so it's the same design, the same pattern, but in white. It's exactly my size, so I'm going to do a video soon where I'm actually wearing these, so stay tuned. They are elasticated for comfort, as you can see. These are in white, underwear in white. As you can see, it's got like beautiful lace, quite stretchy. It's got elastication. These on the sides with straps on the sides. They are my size. I'm going to wear them for you in the next couple of videos. This is the 4th, which also is the same pattern, the same design, the same size, which is my size, and it's quite sexy. Elastication for a bit more appeal in the bedroom for date night, and It's transparent, it's quite sexy. This is the front, this is the back. So, it came in this beautiful packaging. It's called Organic Cotton Mix Shorts Collection Underwear. So, this is where I would like to wash my underwear. This is tea tree detergent. I'll wash the first ones, which are the white ones. Okay, let's mix it first. They're not dirty, it's just the factory dust, I suppose so, but generally they are clean. You can wear them even when you receive them if you were to buy them for your loved ones. You love it, Mom?
Of course.
Easy, easy peasy. Let's try the purple. As you can see, it's got the lining, which is very good. It's very important for us ladies to have linings. I hope you like my dress, my Babydoll dress. Babydoll dress, this one, which is slightly transparent because you can see through the bra. It's slightly lacy effect and it's silk. It's my size. This is my favorite heels. I've got at the moment blue nail varnish on my toes, on my nails. You like these?
Yes, yes.
I wanted to get them in black, but I thought brown are more natural and are nicer. In the next video we'll try and dry this underwear, this thongs, these Gstrings. So we're going to dry them. So this is clean. Now it's time to do this one in blue and in black. All you need is just to rinse them, and I'm going to just soak them slightly and then rinse them, and then we dry it together, and we'll put them in the dryer, special drying thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the underwear that I got sponsored to show you, for you to buy it and enjoy these beautiful patterns, beautiful fashion, beautiful accessories, intimate accessories, and hopefully you can get a lot of joy from watching this video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.